Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having Fiat 500 generation from year 2007 to year 2021 guys. And if you need to find the fuse boxes, relays, where they're located, how to access them, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's explain where the fuses and the relays are located on Fiat 500. We'll be demonstrating on the Abarth, but the other one will be the same way as well. So this is the little Fiat that we have on the lift here. We'll be taking completely apart. We've worked on regular Fiat 500s and Abarths as well. And when you open the hood guys, the first fuse box will be located right here. This is the main fuse box next to the car battery. Never actually, when you wash your engine, never spray here because there is no seals, so you can get water inside and damage it. So all we have to do, remove the little bolt on top, and once you do that, you just grab it, pull it straight out, and this is the fuses and the relays. That's where they're located guys. If you need to buy replacement, we have another fuse box, so make sure to stay until the end. But if you need to buy replacement fuses, maxi fuses, mini fuses, relays, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping. Before we get to the other fuse box, if you have any questions about Fiat 500, leave a comment below so we can get an idea. We just start working on that one now, so we can make video for your specific problem if we get the time to do that. So now we come inside, and if you come right under under the steering wheel guys, and if you look right here, that's the other fuse box guys, right there. That's another fuse box, for the Fiat 500 guys. That's where it's located. You can access you can see every fuse there. You don't have too many, 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 fuses. So that's where they're located. If you want to know what each of the fuses is for guys, we'll have video for individual fuses. Let's say if you need the fuse for the AC compressor, we'll have the video on the channel. If you need the fuse for airbags, we'll have that on the channel. If you need fuse for power windows, headlights, we'll have that on the channel. So please subscribe. We'll try to save you quite a bit of money and teach you how to fix your Fiat on your own. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.